Hello, this is Crafty Nara. I want to show you how to use our wrist distaffs. These distaffs my husband makes out of exotic woods on his lathe. He hand turns them, and there's a little hook on the top, and then I attach a bracelet, and these are beads. We didn't make them, but then I put it on a bracelet that has a little bit of stretch on it, so that you can just put it on your wrist, and your wool stays on there while you're spinning, stays out of the way. It's windy, it doesn't matter, it just stays there, and it just helps, a little something to help you when you're spinning. So you just take some roving. This is some BFL wool, and you just kind of hold it and just wrap it around. There's really no clever way to do it. You just do that, and then boom, it stays there. Stays out of your way. I'm gonna take my spindle, and then you just spin. And it's just a real nice way to help you. It's almost like having an extra set of hands. So now you can just focus on drafting because your wool is out of your way, and the worst thing is when you're spinning and your wool gets all tangled up. That won't happen. Now with the distaff, you really don't want to use silk. Silk will get tangled up on itself, and cotton is probably, I mean, maybe if you had a long roving of cotton you could use it, but it probably won't really work with the distaff. This is really good for wool, and you could use, you were going to do flax, you might want to take a ribbon and tie it on there. This is just a real nice saver, and then even while I'm winding my wool onto the spindle, it's just staying nicely on the distaff. It's not anything I have to worry about. And then I just continue spinning, and my wool is staying put, and just keep going. So if you have any questions, you can send me a private message, send me an email, and I'll try and answer them for you. And thanks for shopping with Crafty Nara. See ya.